Hello everyone. Welcome to another test here on our channel.
Guys, in today's video, so a lot of people asked me to talk.
Thank you. And there are many requests, very many requests. Thank you.
João Ubazoglu, Sergio N.A. Pest. And there is another one that asked me to test it, and I bought it, guys. Here it is, look. And I'm going to test it for you to see if it really works. Let's go. Let's test this product. So guys, here it is. Let's open the package here to see what this aluminum rod looks like. So here it is. Well, it really, here it is. Looks like a wire. An aluminum wire. Guys, there are several measurements, several thicknesses for you to buy. I bought this one here. It's 2 millimeters. Again, it's just for testing, right? But if you're going to do a bigger job, then you can buy a rod with a thicker thickness, right? I bought these ones here. One came here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 wires here, being wires. The length here is more or less. Let me measure. I'm going to get the tape measure to measure. So the length of this one here is 33 centimeters. Okay, 33 centimeters with 2 millimeters of thickness. Okay, and according to the information I got, guys, I don't know if you'll be able to see it here. Inside, it's a powder we make. With the material, it will form the union there. It's made of metals, right? Okay, guys, so that's how it works. And then people still keep asking for suggestions. We're testing so I can do it. Okay, guys. Guys, so to do the test here with our aluminum rod, I separated some materials here for us to do the test. So I have here a stainless steel sheet. A stainless steel sheet. I have 2 copper pieces here. I also have 2 pieces of iron here. 2 iron plates. I have this material here, which I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's aluminum. But this material here is from a small tank engine. A small washing machine, okay? Okay? I don't know what material it is. So, if anyone knows, leave a comment here. And I'm going to try to weld this material here too. And I have 2 aluminum plates here, okay? This is aluminum. I'm going to try to weld it too. And here, 2 galvanized sheets. That galvanized sheet for gutters, okay? So this is the material we're going to test. Guys, so I'm going to start here with a stainless steel sheet. I'm going to use the portable blowtorch here to be able to heat the sheet and do the welding. Guys, look, I tried to do the welding here, and I have no experience in doing this type of welding. Maybe, if someone has more experience, maybe they can do it more easily. I tried to do the welding here. What happened? It melted. The aluminum melted. It's stuck here. Look. it stuck here well. But it didn't make a very good weld. But I'm going to try to do a better weld. Maybe I heated the plate too much. Maybe that's why, right? But I'm going to try to make a better weld to see how it will turn out. Guys, I'm going to try one more time here on the stainless steel plate. This time, I put it here on top of a brick to prevent the ceramic from cracking. It didn't get that bad, okay? Maybe I can... Guys, look, here on the copper rod, I tried to solder. Since I don't have any experience with this type of soldering, I tried to solder here. Look, a drop of solder even stuck here. Look, I don't know if it's stuck enough to... And it stuck the clamp here. Look, I managed to get it out, but you have to give it a little force, see? But it stuck to the copper. Okay, so, although I wasn't able to solder it here, one end to the other, but it stuck to the copper. What is this a sign of? That the aluminum solder will stick to the copper. Then, it's a matter of getting a little practice. So, you can do the welding. Now, guys, I'm just going to try to give here the aluminum plug bar. Guys, look, here on the aluminum plate, it was a little better. I managed to weld the aluminum plate here, and it even joined one to the other, see? It even glued one to the other. So, here, it was better already. Was a little. Then it was a little better on the copper and on the stainless steel plate. Now, guys, I'm going to try on the galvanized plate now. Galvanized plate.
Sanctified.
Guys, look, it welded well on the galvanized sheet. It welded well here on the galvanized sheet, okay? You can see that it joined the two pieces well here. At least on one side, see? It joined well. Now, guys, I'm going to try here on this part, here, on the tank engine. I believe it's cast aluminum. If anyone knows what material this is, please leave a comment. Guys, I tried to weld this piece here, but a lot of oil started coming out here. And it also melted the tip. I think I heated it too much. Now I'm going to try these two little pieces here. Guys, I'm going to try now on the two steel plates. Or iron, right? So, guys, here's the result of our welding. I wasn't able to weld it perhaps as it should be done, but I think the test was worth it, at least to know if the aluminum steel can adhere to weld to the material, in this case, the stainless steel plate. Here, the iron plate, the aluminum plate. Here is the galvanized sheet. Oh, this one is cast aluminum. And the copper. So now, what is the conclusion? Starting here with the stainless steel sheet. Yeah, I managed to weld it, see? Oh, I managed to weld it. It joined the two parts here. So, it worked in this case here, in the case of the stainless steel sheet. Here on the iron sheet, it joined it too. See? It joined the two parts right here. Although it was a little separated here, because when I was welding, I hit it there, and it separated. But it joined the two parts, see? So, it works on iron here, on aluminum too. It joined the two parts here, see? I'm going to turn it over here. Look, it was much better with the aluminum. Here with the galvanized one too. Look, he welded it well, joining the two parts together. Here with the cast aluminum, but she glued it. No, it didn't turn out great. See, but she glued it. See, she glued it. With cast aluminum, you have to be careful because the aluminum melts together. Okay. This part of the tip here, look, when I was welding, look there, it even melted, see, the cast aluminum. Now, with the copper, guys, the copper was the hardest part. And I didn't get a good result here on the copper rod. I couldn't, guys, look, I couldn't join it. I tried several times afterwards without the camera on, but I couldn't. The only thing I managed was this welding point here, which stuck here on the copper, just this part here. Okay. So there it is, guys. Look, what? Test done. Here's the final conclusion of the aluminum welding rod. Although I wasn't able to make a very good weld. Well, but the test was done, and the main point, right? Well, that's to find out if the aluminum rod provides adhesion, right, to different types of materials. In the case of copper, iron, aluminum itself, right, and other materials. So as you saw in the video, I'll leave it here on the side here. Look, the example, the aluminum acid, it adhered to the materials. I wasn't able to make a good weld, but if you have a little experience, or you practice, you can make a much better weld than mine. I'm going to practice here and see if I can make a better weld. Okay, guys, look, the test is done. I hope you liked it. The result is the following, which I tested and is approved. Well, guys, I hope you liked it. Leave your thumbs up. Also, leave a video suggestion for me to make so I can test it. Here on the channel. Guys, thank you. See you in the next test.